In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Confluence tables. We'll start inside Confluence. Open the page that contains the table you want to adjust and switch into edit mode so you can make changes. If you're working from a draft or an existing page, the process is the same. Click anywhere inside the table to activate the table toolbar so you can see how your content is behaving. Next, click into a cell and type a sentence that's deliberately longer than the width of the column. You can paste a full sentence, a descriptive note, or a sample paragraph, anything that clearly exceeds the current cell width. This is a quick way to test how your table treats long content. As you type, keep an eye on the edges of the cell. If wrapping is active, your words will flow naturally onto the next line instead of forcing the column to stretch across the page. By default, Confluence enables text wrapping in tables. That means long content should break onto multiple lines automatically, which makes your table easier to read and avoids awkward horizontal scrolling. You'll know it's working if the row height grows slightly to accommodate the extra lines while the column width stays consistent. If your text is still trying to run off the edge, it usually means a no wrap preference was applied earlier or the column is set very wide. Look at the table controls that appear when a cell is selected and make sure the wrapping option is turned on. You can also gently drag the column edge narrower to make the wrap more obvious, which is helpful when you want a compact layout that still shows all the information. A couple of quick tips as you test. If you're entering very long words like unbroken IDs or URLs, they may not wrap until there's a natural break. Adding a space or a hyphen can help Confluence find a wrap point. For links, consider using display text so the visible label wraps cleanly while the full link remains intact behind it. If you want a manual break at a specific point, use Shift+Enter to add a soft line break without creating a new paragraph in the cell. When you're happy with how your content wraps, review the table at normal zoom to confirm readability, then publish or update the page. That's all there is to it. Open your Confluence table, type text that exceeds the cell width, and rely on the default wrap setting to keep everything tidy and readable.